Hey guys, just wanted to do a little video update of the house. It's actually looking like a house now. It has the roof on. They still need to come out and put sheeting on the gable end there. But I wanted to give you a little tour. Sheeting up. Got the posts in there. It's looking pretty good. They're gonna put sheeting on this gable end here. And also this gable end here for the side of the house. We're going to leave this exposed out here. There's the remnants of what's happened so far. A lot of scrap there. We do have some more stuff done in here, some additional plumbing. It's not quite finished yet, but it's getting there. Ah, man, that view is just killer. I love it. Our bathtub. Looks like the framers still have to put some 2x6s underneath that beam for support. Same thing on this end here. Looks like they've got to put some 2x6s underneath that. More of the plumbing here. So it's going to have a sink there, little tub there, or a little stand-up shower I should say there, and then the toilet will be over here. And I've got a little slider door that will kind of slide into there. But it's getting there. Definitely getting there. They also have to put this little baby wall up. It's supposed to be up here. I think they keep forgetting to put it in. Maybe I should just set it down on the floor so they remember. So in here we have the toilet there. Got a full bathtub that's going to go in there. And we'll have our sink over here. And here's our living room. And then our kitchen's over here, of course. Small little kitchen. There's the back door. We have a water heater and stack washer and dryer in there. And this will be our refrigerator pocket here. And that's it, guys. That's the house. They're got a little bit more to do on the framing, but it's almost there. Pretty exciting to see a roof on it. Be able to walk inside and kind of see what the house is going to look like at the end of the day. We have our doors and windows are coming in. on Monday, this next Monday. Got a pretty good deal on them, actually. Went through Home Depot, and for all of the doors, exterior doors and windows, it was $1,200, and that includes this giant 6050 window right here, all vinyl double pane sliders. I've got a 3x3 window there. There's an exterior door there, exterior in the front, of course, and then we've got a 3.0x1 there, and then the bedrooms have a 4x4 on both of those. But yeah, it was a pretty good deal on the windows and doors. I was pretty stoked. That included delivery here, so I don't even have to worry about picking up that giant window and hoping for the best on the ride home. They're going to do it for me, so that's kind of cool. So anyways, I appreciate you guys following along in the journey. We're excited to get to the final ending of the job. It's going to take a little while, I think, but we appreciate you guys watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below, and like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you much, and have an excellent day.